Yeah, bumps and rock.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I.
Hello folks, yes, it's that time of again when Thanksgiving is in the air and everybody is running to and fro. Today I am in the mood to make a very delicious and hearty soup. We call it sip in Jamaica. It's meatless and it is just good for the soul type of vibe, yeah? We are making pumpkin coconut sip, yeah, with a whole bunch of herbs and vegetables. And let me just show you real quick what I have here. I have some mushroom. Underneath the mushroom we have some radish. I have a sweet corn. I have some chayote squash or chocho. I have a little bit of cabbage, some scallions. I have some carrots here. I have a bunch of garlic, and I have a whole host of other stuff that is coming. I have some baby potatoes. All of these are gonna be nicely simmered down in a very rich coconut broth. So it's gonna be my pumpkin coconut sip. Yes, man. Yes, what? We're gonna cut up all of these ingredients right now and we're gonna get ready to go. Stay tuned. we should cut it like, you know, back into bite-sized pieces because it's a sip, you know.
Okay.
And the sip is like really small pieces. You don't want it to. All right, that's good. Thank you.
We have 3 color potato here, baby potatoes. And yeah, you have to snip off the little undesirables from it. You don't peel it though, because yeah, these weren't meant to be peeled. Pelt. Yeah, these were meant to be peeled at all. So you just clean them up as best as you can and wash it thoroughly.
And we don't need a lot of it at this, right?
You don't need a lot of nothing because it's a variety soup. You understand? So a little this and a little that.
Yeah, she going like she a boss of me.
I am the boss. And our little boy don't like soup, so unless we're going to eat soup
He must
today,
drink soup.
tomorrow, and Thanksgiving.
You have to drink some soup. Remember?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we have all our vegetables basically prepped. We have our potato here, just use the container to rinse them, wash them properly. And we have our cabbage here that I'm also going to be washing and straining. And the very next step, oh yes, hold on there, because the wifey went ahead and made some dumpling. All right, or made some dough. What is in this dough, babes?
Dough is just cornmeal and flour and a little salt.
Cornmeal flour and a little salt. And so we're going to be assembling our dish right now. I'm going to wash the cabbage just to, you know, rinse it off in the strainer and then into the pot. The sip is underway. Remember me tell you. Alright, so my cabbage wash. I'm just going to add the cabbage because we want the cabbage really cooked down.
So you kind of want it to be a part of the soup?
Yeah, I want it to, yeah. So I'm blending. Now we're going to put in the dumplings.
Because dumpling is one of the things that take the longest to cook. And we like to make them long.
And guys, we're going to be adding more water to this, but we don't want to add more water until we are ready. Alright, make them a little bit smaller, considering that it is a sip.
Oh, in keeping it.
Yeah,
Too big?
yes, that's too big. That's cravenness right there. Craven. That's good. Could be a little bit smaller, but yes.
Oh, you want spinners? You should say
Yes,
spinners.
spinners, you know, for a sip.
Oh.
You know, sip meaning that you normally, alright, the idea behind sip is that you'd normally get it in a little cup.
Like a cup soup?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright. And so dumplings in, and then the food will come up right after this.
So this is chayote that he's chopping at this time, rough chopping.
And Jamaicans call it chocho.
Yeah, but don't call it that if you're not in the right culture, because you will get cussed.
If you're not in Jamaica, please don't call it chocho. Alright, and I'm also chopping the butternut squash. Thank you for the save. Coconut milk is a coconut milk. Coconut is a coconut milk.
And I'm using the same stock from the soup pot just to dissolve or dilute the coconut powder. Yeah.
Should we throw some of the soup?
The stock. It not reach soup stage yet.
Oh.
And
Stop
just,
some
and just dilute it and add it back to the soup pot. So pretty much this is a half cup of the coconut cream that I'm adding.
Wash out that, you know, because we now waste it around here. The sip look good, man. I tell you, like, look good already. then you're gonna spin it around. Alright, let me spin it and you grab the corn. Guys, yeah, you can grab everything else basically. Alright, so we're just gonna add the corn, the sweet corn, and then we're gonna add the carrot and the celery. Yeah. Oh wow. Looks so healthy. And we're not start putting herbs yet. What that man put in herbs? I tell you.
And seasonings.
And seasonings. We're just gonna make this go and do its thing for about another 15 to 20 minutes. And then we start adding herbs. So this is where we are now, guys. I have some ingredients here that I want to show you. Some thyme, a bunch of garlic, scallion, and I have the little pit from the chayote squash. Many people don't know that this can be eaten, so I'm gonna add it to my soup. I have some shad and benny here, and I have onion right there. I'm also using some Grace pumpkin flavored soup mix to style up my thing. Over here I have kale, which is a superfood. I have some cilantro, yeah, and I have my radishes ready. And then also my baby potatoes, because I'm not ready for those. I don't want them mash out in the pot. So now everything here is gonna go on into the pot that has been going now for the past 25 minutes, 30 minutes, babes? So now for the ingredients. Yes, yes, yes. Just gonna add some more water to this now. Yeah, intensify the flavors. All right. Remember to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about Yardie Belly TV because we're doing the thing and we're doing it well. And guess what, guys? This video is one of the meatless or no meat November challenge videos. I know you're gonna love it. I know you're gonna love it. Try it in your neck of the woods, and until then, we shall see each other again. What you say about that, see?
Same cycle.
Yeah, live and laugh, cook and eat. Big up on yourself.